Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my marble pound cake. If you like videos like this, subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified as I drop more baking and also cooking tutorials. The ingredients for my marble cake are detailed in the description box below. So we start up with sifting all dry ingredients properly, keeping the flour mix separate from the cocoa mix. Next up, I'll be adding the cold butter to the flour mix, and I'll be mixing this properly to get a bread-like consistency, after which I'll set aside. Now I'm combining the wet ingredients. To a bowl, I add milk, eggs, and vanilla. I mix thoroughly and I set aside. It's now time to add the wet to the dry. So I created a well in the middle of the dry ingredients and added the wet, and I mixed thoroughly. To the cocoa mix, I added a little water to make a light paste. And to this paste, I added 3 scoops of cake batter. You could add 1 or 2 depending on the marble effect you're going for. It's time to pour the batters into the baking pan. So I'm adding the batters in such a way to create a marble effect. Any combination goes. You can use your creativity to place the batter in such a way that will bring that marble effect that you really desire. And I baked it at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. While the cake is baking, it's time to clean up my kitchen and make it spotless once again. Voila! It is set. The marble cake came out very beautiful, and it came out with a bit of texture which is peculiar to pound cakes. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.